What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be making some broccoli berries, so let me show you guys how I made them. So all of the berries are gonna have a milk chocolate base, and if you guys been following me for a while, you guys already know that I love mixing my almond bark and Ghiradelli chocolate. Trust me, this tastes hella bomb. Let me know if you guys ever use this little half and half mixture because it is so bomb. Actually, somebody recommended me it on TikTok, and ever since then, I've been using it. So let me know if you guys use it because I already know you guys are going to love it just like me. Once we're done dipping all of our berries, we're going to go ahead and set them on either a napkin or a parchment paper. I ended up running out of parchment paper, so I'm using a napkin. Don't judge me. But we're going to go ahead and throw some gold on them because I didn't want to leave the berries all simple or whatever. And I literally forgot to show you guys what freaking gold I'm using, but I'm going to go ahead and leave everything linked down in my description down below. You guys are always asking me, where do I get all my stuff? What do I use? This, yada, yada. And everything will be linked down below for you guys, so don't forget to check that out. When I first started splashing the berries with gold, I used to literally splash it. I'm not even playing. I would just throw the freaking gold on there and I'd call it a day. But now I am not a fan of that method. I go ahead and tap the luster dust on there, and I think it looks just like so much cuter and like effortless, if that makes sense. I don't know, but this is cuter, okay? So for the green, we're going to end up using some almond bark. I didn't end up mixing any Ghiradelli in there because we're not going to be using that much green. And you know what? Now that I think about it, I don't even know why I made that much freaking white chocolate. Let me know if this is a me thing, but every time I'm about to drizzle, I always end up doing like a little massage on my bags because I feel like that makes me drizzle even better. So I ended up using a little bit of chocolate chameleon green and I massaged it into my bag, and then I went ahead and did a little bit of a loop-de-loop. And you guys know that this is my freaking drizzle. I love this drizzle. I get questions about how I do this drizzle on all of my social media accounts, and literally, you guys, it's just practice. At one point, I was horrible at this drizzle. I even almost gave up on ever doing it again. And it's crazy to say because a lot of people actually know me because of this drizzle. So just go ahead and practice. Practice on some parchment paper or a spoon and you'll get it down. Trust me. So now let's go ahead and make the broccoli topping together. You guys, everybody always asks me how I make this, and I've even had people ask me if it's a real broccoli. I'd be like, girl, I am not about to use no real broccoli on my berries. What is wrong with y'all? So we're going to be starting off with some golden Oreos, and we want to go ahead and blend them up. So I use my blender to crush them up, you guys. And then from there, we're going to go ahead and grab the chocolate chameleon green, and we're going to be mixing it up till your wrist freaking hurt. Trust me, when I say your wrist about to be hurting, like my arthritis was kicking in, y'all. So we're basically going to be repeating steps, you guys. We're going to go ahead and put more green food coloring and more of the like blending in with your hand up until you get like this color. And we basically want it to be green, but we still want to see a little bit of the golden Oreo peeking through. Once you're done with this step, we're going to go ahead and take some regular degular Oreos, and we're going to go ahead and crush them babies up, okay? Because we're going to be mixing them in with the golden Oreo. And this really takes your broccoli topping to the next level. I feel like this is what makes it look super realistic, is when you mix it up with the golden Oreo. So basically from here, you're just going to go ahead and keep on putting more Oreo in there as much as you want or as little as you want. I like to put a bunch of it. I like mine to look more of like a darker base, but it ends up looking so good at the end, you guys. You cannot tell me that this don't look realistic. And YouTube, do not flag me. This is just Oreos. And peep how you can still see a little bit of the golden Oreo. It's not just green and brown. You can still see that little bit of it. So for our next 3 berries, we're going to go ahead and be dipping it in some milk chocolate. And then we're going to go ahead and put it in the broccoli topping. And I usually like to do milk chocolate base instead of white chocolate. I don't know why. It still looks good with white chocolate, but I think it'll look better with the milk. Okay, don't judge me. Remember during this step to get as much of the excess chocolate off, because you do not want to have a little bit of extra on there because it will drip into your crumbs and it'll mess it all up. And just know it's going to be all dirty and gross and it's just going to be messy. But look how cute that was. Tell me that was not a cute berry. Also, you guys, my melting cups are also going to be linked in my description, and also my skewers, because you guys are always asking me what skewers I use, and I believe these are 6-inch. I could be wrong, but they will be linked in the description, so it's okay. I got you. Now, I am personally not a big smoker, but you cannot tell me that this does not look legit. It really looked like a little bit of broccoli or whatever, and it is so cute. I have fooled some people thinking that it is real, so I feel like it looks real, okay? You're welcome. So when it comes down to making some broccoli boxes, I like to add a little bit of extraness to my boxes. I mean, come on now, I'm Magali Sweets. If it's not extra, it is not me. So every time I'm making some broccoli berries, broccoli, anything, I'm going to be adding these cute little pretzel. I don't know what code word I should use for this. What should I say? Let's just call them broccoli sticks because I don't know the code word for this, okay? So we're going to be making some broccoli sticks and we're going to go ahead and the first thing you want to do is dip half of it. Well, actually, you want to dip like almost the whole thing in milk chocolate. Literally, you're just going to go ahead and leave the part where you don't want your milk chocolate to touch your fingers. Like, I'm not even playing. And we're going to go ahead and do that to all of the little broccoli sticks we're going to be doing. And if you don't know what this is, then I just don't even know what to tell you. But just know these are broccoli sticks. Even though this is just Oreos and pretzels, I have to use code words because last time I uploaded a video like this on TikTok and they banned me, y'all. So I'm trying to keep it low, okay? And we are not done with our little pretzel sticks, so we're gonna go ahead and go back and dip the top of the pretzel stick, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it in our cute little broccoli crumbs to make it look a little bit more realistic. And when you guys are doing this step, make sure that you guys are working fast because from the touch of your fingers, even though you have gloves on, it will melt the chocolate fast since your hands are naturally warm. So you gotta work fast AF. I'm not even playing because it'll leave prints on there. But this is such a small touch in the box, but it's so perfect and cute. Look at it. So the berries that I'm using are actually really so freaking big that I had to use a 9x6 box. And usually I'll use a 6x6 box for my 6 counts. By the way, I freaking love these boxes. They are perfect for dozens and for obviously 9 counts and these 6. Well, 6 counts, yes, but only when they're so freaking big because these berries were juicy. Make sure when you guys are packaging up your boxes, you guys always have a pattern. Obviously, mine is loop, broccoli, loop, and the bottom is broccoli, loop, broccoli. I feel like it always just looks better this way when you have a pattern. No matter what you're making, though, make sure you think about the way you package it. So I usually do shredded paper for my boxes, but I was really feeling the marshmallows for some reason. So we went ahead and put some mini marshmallows in there and they look so cute with this box. I ended up finding some edible money in my boxes and look, this is gonna tie in the whole freaking box together. I feel like it just, 10 out of freaking 10. I love this. Since the money is a little bit bigger than what I would like it to be, I ended up folding it in half so that way you can see both of the $100 bills. Okay, people gonna think I'm giving them $200, but I'm not. It's just some edible money. And I don't know what the heck I thought this was gonna taste like, but they actually taste like obleas. If you guys know what obleas are, comment down below. Because I don't think a lot of people know what that is, but my people, they know. So in the other empty gap, we're going to go ahead and put the broccoli sticks and tell me this doesn't already look like it's tied together. But you guys already know I never know when to stop. So we're going to go ahead and add some broccoli leaves and tell me this does not look freaking perfect. Of course, we cannot forget the edible glitter because what the heck is a box without edible glitter? Okay, we cannot send that out over here. But you guys, look at these beautiful freaking labels I got made. Oh my god, read it. It's the detail for me, you guys. This is why my box is always so cute and extra because I'm cute and extra, okay? Don't get it twisted. Check out @ChetaMade on Instagram to get yours made because she makes all of my labels. She makes all of my stickers. Don't tell me I never put y'all on. My girl really did that. Every time I make a box like this, I'm always so freaking obsessed because it's so cute. Like I said, I am not a smoker, but like, can you be mad at a box like this? Come on out. It is just so freaking cute. 10 out of 10. I give myself a 10 out of 10. This is a great option for 420. And also this, I ended up making some broccoli cups. If you guys know me, you guys know I love to make me some berry cups. Okay, so I ended up making some broccoli berry cups and they were so cute. It's the same idea as the box, you guys. I did some broccoli berries. And I ended up doing the broccoli sticks and some money in them. And they just came out beautiful AF. If you guys end up recreating this, please let me see it. Send it to me, email it to me, DM me. I don't freaking know, but let me see it. Don't be greedy, okay? I freaking love making these for you guys. Let me know down below what else you guys want to see from me. It's about to be spooky season. So I'm about to make some spooky berries. Don't play with me. Let me know down below what you guys trying to see. And yeah, you guys, don't be shy. Go ahead, give me a little like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Bye.